Hello guys, today we are opening up an observation hive, the observation hive from Claxton Elementary. And we think a lot of the bees died, and so we're going to open it up and see what's inside.
Okay.
Smells like honey.
Smells like honey. See a few bees. See where the sugar water ran down.
Yep.
Whoa.
And that's bad, right?
Okay.
Is the sugar water one bad?
Whoa, there's some more bees.
Who do I see?
The queen.
It's Beyonce. Oh my
The queen.
gosh, the queen is still alive. I cannot believe
it. Has a green
it.
dot. Whoa, the one with the green dot that's crawling around.
So what we're going to do,
Is extract all the honey?
is we're going to put this into this box.
Yay,
Called a
Beyonce
new-
survived. Wow.
That's pretty amazing.
Look at all these other bees too.
Yeah, but what about the sugar run?
Hmm?
What about the sugar water run? There is some honey.